Hello everybody. It's another beautiful day here in the northern part of Sweden. So is John Mcafee going to be correct after all? Is Bitcoin going to be hitting 1 million bucks a piece by the year 2021? A recent article is certainly pointing to that every 2 years Bitcoin adds a zero. So basically last year, 2017, we hit 10,000. Well, it went higher, went to almost 20,000, but it hit a zero to 10,000. 2 years before that, it was at the 1,000. So now we just have to wait, or what? For 2019, that will bring Bitcoin to 100,000, and 2021 will bring Bitcoin to 1 million bucks. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Cheers.
So, what do we have here? Bitcoin versus altcoins. Which cryptocurrency is the most usable as money? Well, it looks like the winner is still Bitcoin, although many other altcoins are certainly gearing up. I mean, we've seen Ethos now over the last few days. I mean, I know Pivx is coming as well, and I'm sure others as well. So, but for the time being, I mean, Bitcoin is certainly the biggest one. Um, and so we'll see how it goes. I mean, Ethos here, you have, I mean, these guys are they're on a roll. The Universal Wallet now has been released in South Africa. You have as well in Brazil, and if I remember, Australia the other day, India. I mean, the Vietnam. Okay, so now we can buy some rice. Japan as well. So they're really all over the place, and this is what we want to see. I mean that you know, these guys are expanding and creating wallets for all the different cryptocurrencies to be able to use them on a global scale, maybe. And Utrust, they're coming up here. They have some kind of a conference here in July 24, 25, 25th in Porto, and legalized blockchain. That could be interesting. Okay, the next one is a little bit later on in September. But Utrust as well. I mean, this is like, this could be the next PayPal, the crypto PayPal, basically. I mean. They have so much potential, and they're just trading at like 7 cents or something at the moment. I mean, it's ridiculous with the potential that they could have. But I'm not saying, you know, this will for sure be the next PayPal, but they certainly have the capability to do that. So you can accept several cryptocurrencies at once, and every payment received can be instantly converted to fiat currency, right? So this is what we're looking for. So that protects the merchants as well from market volatility. So this is really, I mean, if they can manage to get more companies and on board and kind of, you know, I think we just have to give it some time. But at 7 cents now, 8 cents, I mean, gee, if you know, if you have 10,000 bucks, I mean, it's certainly worth putting some money into this one. And this is cool. You have these guys, two Chinese crypto whales buys two islands to build special cryptocurrency zones. That's not bad. I mean, it's it is reported that all transactions are completely in cryptocurrencies, and apparently the government seek to issue favorable policies to attract blockchain projects. I mean, we've seen this before as well. I think it was in Belarus and so on. I mean, there are some governments there that they understand the potential, the economics behind it all. There are, of course, some countries that don't understand shit all, and you know, some countries are gonna need more time to maybe adapt to this. But these are some cool projects, and you know, you also have You also have what is it called? Liberland between Croatia and Serbia. That they have a similar project, and also in the southern part of Norway you have Liberstad, which is not really up and running yet, but you can buy land there now, and it's really close to like Denmark, Sweden, and so that's kind of a Nordic thing. We have nothing, I think, in Sweden at the moment. I mean, we are so conservative here. I mean, it's almost like worse than Switzerland. And I mean, it is worse. I mean, Switzerland is like at the forefront in this. I mean, with the crypto valley in Zug outside of Zurich and so on. So Sweden is really behind in this. But maybe we can make like the north of Sweden. We make this like a crypto zone, and we cut the country in half and take back Norway and Finland as well. That's an idea. Finally, let's look at the markets quickly. I mean, here's Ethos. Okay, nothing much here on the price movement, but it's getting a bit oversold here. That's ridiculous. Bitcoin, we have, okay, it's kind of holding here. Let's see if we can get a little move higher. Maybe the averages are starting to kind of move more in favor of an up move. Bitcoin Cash, they're also doing quite a lot for acceptance and so on for cryptos, and then they have their wallets and so on, but it needs to spread more. We need to do more, guys. Zcoin, what's going on there? Okay, had a little bit of a nice move lately. Trends are still down, but we came back up from these oversold levels. VeChain is not doing much actually at the moment. And Pivx, yeah, it's just holding around this $2 level. But that's it for now. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Take care, guys.